Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to make video call on Gmail. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and of course go to Gmail in the top right corner, or just simply type it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and make video call on Gmail. So on computer, open Gmail in your web browser, and then in the left sidebar find the Meet section. Then when you go and find the Meet section there, when you go of course there, click new meeting to start a call or join a meeting if you have a meeting call link. Then follow on-screen instructions to allow camera and microphone access, and then share the meeting link with participants or join the call. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.